Hello Odoers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will learn how to create related field in Odoo. So let's start now. So first of all I will tell you what is the related field. So related field is used to access field of one object into another object. We can access and display field of one object into another object. But for this, many-to-one field is required in the model. For example, if you want to access field of model 1 into model 2, then many-to-one field is necessary in the model 2 object. So many-to-one field acts like a bridge between two models. And related fields are commonly used when you want to display or work with data from a related model. A related field is by default read-only, but we can make it editable, and for making the related field we have to use the attribute related in the field definition. And remember, field type of related field should be same to the other object field. Syntax of related field: first we have to write the variable field name is equal to fields.field type, then give the string, and in the attribute related we have to write many-to-one field that we create in same object, then dot many-to-one object field. This works like a onChange method. If we select many-to-one field, then this field value is automatically accessed. So let's see by the example. Here in py side, my object mole.customer, first I create many-to-one field mole id, that is a relation object with mole.mole, and then I create related field. I write the field type integer, then I give the string, and in the attribute related I write many-to-one field mole id that I created here, and then I give dot rate field, because I want to access the rate field directly into this related rate field. Now let's add these fields into XML side. Here below the name field I write the mole id field, and below the mole id field I write the related rate field. Now restart the terminal and let's move to the browser. Here you can see the mole and its rate out of the 10. Now I added this many-to-one field and related field in customer object. So I go in a customer form. This is the mole id many-to-one field and this is the related field. When I select any one mole, then rate of this mole is automatically came. You can see here. When I select Sukun mole, then rate of Sukun mole is automatically came. This is how the related field works in Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.